How to generate videos with Pictory. Go to the official website of Pictory, type in pictory.ai on your web browser and you will land right here. In this page, you will see the option Get Started Free, or if you already have an account, then at the top right corner, click on Login. There is a paid version, so it will offer you the free version. Now just to show you guys, I'm going to use a dummy email. But once you have opened your account, then here's what you need to do. If you are opening a new account, then it will ask you to verify your email or phone number. Once you do that, then it will ask you some simple question and your account will be created. Once your account is created, you will see this tour section. You can take a help of that tour section or simply click on the text to video option at the top. There are other options also which you can try. Now inside you will see this paper kind of thing. Click on that and start typing your script. You can use AI for the prompts. Now select the ratio. There's also a brand section where you can select the brand. Then there are other scene settings which you can manage. After it's done, click on generate video and your video will get generated. That's all for today. Thank you.